What are you doing? Wait. What, bro?
Give me that. Give me that. Does
Okay.
that thing
Take
reset? Hold on, let me just clear some space in my stash for this. Don't worry, I'll give it back after.
Okay.
That's perfect.
Bro, I don't really need that rocket because it's
Does
extremely
it?
cheap. Like
Does it
the rocket.
Oh! Bro! Myth confirmed! Myth confirmed! Guess what?
What? What? You can.
Now, guess what? I used it, and guess where I put it? Guess where I put it? Guess where I put it? I used
In
it
the
and put
stash?
it in the stash. Boom! You want to see? Bro, take a look.
What? Wait, What would they give us if
What?
we report this
What?
bug?
What?
What okay,
the
let's,
hell,
let's
bro?
go mining a bit.
Let's just send it. I'm gonna send it. Send the bombs!
Bro.
Yeah? Hold on, let me just get my... Let me just get my
How did you
brain...
unlock the...
The what?
Bro, I mean the 2 spaces here.
Oh, the hip
hold
slots?
items.
Oh, that costs 10 research points to get both.
What the? Oh! Oh, flashbanged me. Can you give me one of those flashlights?
Sure.
Because I only
It's
have
just,
this one.
do you?
No!
Ah! Can you get flashbanged? Yes.
Oh.
Hold on, bro, wait.
Bro, what is this? Me?
Wait, I have a stupid idea. Why not go into weapon? Don't grab it yet. This. And do this. Here, you can have this. Here, have it. Go ahead. I just flashbanged you.
Ah.
Now, I just got a real quick...
I can't grab it. Oh, I had something. Bro, I'm grabbing it, but I can't. Oh, here's mine.
Quick why.
Okay,
this is so much more powerful than a normal flashlight.
Yeah, I know.
Would you like... Can you see how far this thing launches these?
Whoa,
I'm gonna aim it straight up. Boom! Hey.
What the?
Where'd my thing go?
Oh, look, it's here. It's here, bro.
Hey, wanna know what happens whenever you decide to shoot, a mega flashlight with the crossbow while it's on? In an enclosed space? You just flashbanged me. Wanna know? You'll find out.
Wait, I have to do something real quick.
Sure. So, we're gonna find out. It just spins like a disco light. That's what it does. Bro, it spins like a disco light.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, hold on.
Oh no.
What's wrong? Wait up, bud. We just gotta get 15. I have to get 15 research points. Don't go that way.
Why would you? No, let's go this way because we can get even more.
I said don't go that way.
What did I just heard?
I don't
It
know.
was like a. Oh look.
Downwards!
Bro, stop.
Down we go!
And there were research points.
Hey, fun fact.
What do you mean no danger?
That's just a lie. There's an Armstrong here.
Yeah, I know. Cause I... Yes, I got a research point! Only one more!
Bro, it's super unusual. Why isn't there any ores?
I see so... Yes! I have 5 research points!
Bro, there's
Let's
no...
go!
There's no ores. There's no
Yes,
ores.
there are. I see so many.
Bro, for
No,
me,
there's a
there's...
spider. Wait, bro, let me break
It
all
can
my
hear
ores
you.
that I see.
It can hear you. Wanna know how I know that? Ah!
Holy, you're cooked. Oh no, I'm cooked.
It can hear you. That's what I mean. Bro.
It can't hit me. What?
Yeah, this thing's bugged as hell. Bro. Am I insane? Or did the game just break? Stinky monkey!
Holy, I got...
Stinky monkey to the
Why is this
arm.
guy so dumb? Holy, he's not...
Bro, let's
I could have
go.
been so cooked right there.
I can't find...
Wait.
I can't see any ores. I don't know about...
But I see so many. Wait for me to break them.
Bro, it's like my game's broken. Did my... I don't know about you, but my game seems broken.
I see a big...
Hey, bro.
Wait.
Bro. Come here.
Wait, bro. Bro, where are you? Oh, come, no.
Boom!
I have a better way to go home. Come here.
Bro. Why are you...
Bro, come up here.
If I don't come home, that means my game's probably bugged and I have to rejoin the code.
Yeah. Okay, come here.
6, 7. Bro, what? Stop sending me down, Rope! You're not meant to do this. Sweet none. Oh, sweet. Harpin Jesus. Forgot to mention there's probably going to be an epilepsy warning from this thing. Yo bro, where you at? Bro.
I am a robot. And I like to dance. Leave me alone, please.
Hey, I have to rejoin the code, by the way. I don't know why.
Oh, okay.
Don't be surprised. Also, can you friend me? Cause, like, what if like it bugs out and kicks me out of the game? So let's just add each other friends.
Wait, let me respawn.
Let me just launch it. I commit us
What?
launch this.
Okay, we're friends.
Hello? Oh. Let me just real quick join it again.
Yeah.
I'm Donkey Kong. Oh, my belly. Hello. Yo, bro, where you at? Are you there? Hold on. Hold on, bud.
Let's bust me nuts now. What happens if I go with the monster in the back?
Hold on, I just gotta check if my game's still broken. If my game is still broken, I'll just simply rejoin the code. I'll simply just reboot my game. Hopefully it's not broken still. I hope I see some more. 'Cause that's one thing I've been hoping for a long time. A long ass time. A long... Wait. Bro, what? I just found some holes in the map, but they patched... I found some holes in the map, they patched themselves. Okay, scream all not good. Bro, where is... Hey bro, come and kill me, thank you. Owie. Hey bro, can you come and kill me? Oh, thanks. The game's still broken for me, bro.
I think I'm small forever.
What?
I
Well-
think I just glitched the game and I'm small forever.
No, it's
never
not.
mind.
Oh,
What? Oh, that was my backpack, bro. But I have it
Oh,
saved,
hey,
so I don't need
I
it
got,
anymore.
would you like to see, heaven? We'll take a sneak peek at heaven.
Wait. Try
Would you
this
like-
robot out.
Hey, would you like to see a sneak peek of heaven in game?
No, try this robot out. See how cool it is. Bro.
Hold on. I just gotta locate some arrow. Okay.
Try this robot out. Just try it.
Hold on.
Sakagachi runs.
Help. Okay, never mind.
Yeah. Take it, bro.
Okay, so, hold on, can you
How
just
do
die?
you just-
Can you just die real quick? Grab this
Okay.
dynamite for me, grab it. Just grab it for me.
No, I have one.
Frick, and now, god damn it. Just, hey, wait. You gotta blow yourself to smithereens. Become the bomb. I wanna see if you can flashbang yourself while blind. So hey. You have to be honest with this. Dude, you're not meant to respawn. You're not meant to respawn for that myth. You have to just kill yourself in game again.
Bro, there was another dynamite.
Just wait, there's already a dynamite here. It's gonna be an insta. Bro, light that other TNT.
Today, I'm gonna eat sausages. The
Bro,
first
wait,
one,
no.
I don't know why it does have fire.
No,
But let's eat
it's
them.
it's a dynamite. It's a boom. Hey. Don't respawn. This will ruin the next 2 myths. Come here. How does this look to you? Flashbang?
Extremely light.
So it's flashbang. Now, hey, let's see if, let me just... So, hey, let's see if your body, like, starts tweaking. What? Your body's probably gonna start tweaking out if I do... Oh, I missed the shot entirely. Huh. Wonder why that is. Wait, what the hell is... What
I'm drifting with my butt.
You're drifting with your butt crack. You're drifting with your butt...
Oh, it respawned automatically.
Bro, look! Oh my, you still have the arrow in you. Stand still.
Eat for you.
Stand still.
Oh, yo, look.
Stand still, bro. The
I can
arrow's
get it
still
out.
inside of you. Got it.
Okay.
Okay,
Test the
let's do
robot
a
out.
sub-myth. Can you flashbang the robot? The answer is probably yes.
Wait. Test the robot out, please. I wanna try something.
Hold on. Can you just shoot me with... Can you shoot my body with this? With this crossbow,
Okay.
like my carcass or whatever? Okay, just hand it over.
Bro, my game is glitched. I can't grab it out.
Just grab it now. Grab it now, bro. Grab
No,
it now.
I can't. Wait, just
Try.
test this. Test the
Try
robot.
again. Try grabbing it again.
Oh, never mind. It works. Okay.
Just shoot it in.
Go.
Shoot
go
it
here.
in me.
Come,
Shoot it. Shoot that in me.
No, bro, come.
Shoot it in. Shoot it in, and then nudge me. Okay, now slam the crossbow again. What? What the? I believe.
Okay, come.
6, 7.
Come here. 6, 7. Bro, where did your body? Okay, I want to see if you die with the robot. I want to see if your body remains as a robot or just your... Wait, I think I can clone you. Come. I think I can clone you.
Bro, where'd my...
What? Oh, and your mouth is open like crazy.
What?
Okay, come. Come.
Bro,
Your
can
mouth
you...
is open like
can you-
crazy at the
can
body.
you-
Okay, come.
Can you...
Come out of the
can-
safe zone.
Dude, can you hold
Okay.
the... Can you please hold the crossbow? I'll grab it real quick. Because it'll despawn.
Wait, okay. Wait there. No, don't respawn. I want to test this out. Stay there.
Can we die as the robot? Probably the answer is yes.
Don't move.
I believe I can touch the
I
sky.
want to see if you... You can't die. Okay, you can now respawn.
Let's see if my body... Bro, I'm all the way in the shop. Now
What
Now, can I have the crossbow back? Oh yeah,
Okay,
this
take
is
it.
something... This is something that... Hold on. Bye, Mr. Flashlight. We don't need you anymore. Bro, what the... Hey, let's test another myth.
what did you just did?
Ugh. Hey, what am I doing?
Why
in
can't
real
I
life?
get gats? What the? Ouch.
Right in the butt. Oh my.
Ah!
Stop moving, please. Right in the butt crack. I got it in your butt
What
crack. Bro, it's in. Hey,
I.
have you noticed any pain? Okay. Revenge for farting on me. Do it. Pretend to fart on me. Pretend to fart on me. You shall face death. I got in your heart.
Didn't we need to bust mids?
Yeah, we do.
Then what? Oh, bro, what? What just happened?
Wait, I have a myth that's not really a myth by perchance. Can you launch it? Can you launch this? Can you launch the? Bro, I'm dead. I'm dead. My name's Death. Cause I'm dead. Bro, I just died. I died.
I don't even know what.
Yeah, that's another myth. That myth confirmed for all the myths so far. Can you die as a robot? That's false. You can't. Also, revenge. Can you die in the safe zone? That's obviously true, because also all the myths are confirmed. Can you shoot it away? Yeah, bro! Bro, I just... Hey, I think you have something in your butthole. Bro, you have something in your butt. Can you give me that? Okay.
What the?
Can
Wait. Oh. Oh.
Myth.
Ah.
Myth. The myth is, can I do a midair shot? Hey, can you stand still for me? Like, really still? You just got one in the brain.
No, my stick broke.
Okay, that's
My
one.
dick broke.
Your dick? Your what, bro?
Oh no. I'm in stick.
Bro, something at the roof. Bro, my arrow just hit the roof. You want proof? Come get some. Yo, bro, where you at?
Look behind you. Look behind you. There is my
That broke.
that broken half. And your left.
Hold on, bro. I just gotta real quick close the game and rejoin. I gotta do that real quick. Guys, sorry, I'm not gonna see anything. Okay, now, bro, I hate this. Matter if you watch this video, stop getting it. Make it permanently stationary, or 99% chance it gives me stationary, or something. I don't know. I hate this. 6, 7. Oh. Yo, bro, I'm back. Hey, I'm gonna test, can you make a boomsday weapon? Can you do that?
What even is that?
Oh, just a giant explosive, I don't know. Hey, where'd my thing go?
Today we're gonna eat a mega sausage with fire on it.
Hey bro, I don't think that's a sausage. I think that's a bomb. And you realize
this
it's
is sausage.
and then you realize
This is sausage with cheese. Sausage with cheese.
hey,
Extremely long.
hey. Do you wanna
No. Goopy, goopy, goopy.
where'd my bomb go?
I don't know.
Wait, what? What the name and
Oh, it exploded, I think.
is this? My weapon just legit became a weapon. What? Hey, hold on. Hey, bro. Hold on.
If you wanna be super tiny, eat this. It's ultra tiny broccoli.
Give me. Wait, no, don't. Can I? I wanna become tiny. Hold on, let me just become tiny real quick. Bro, get some more tiny broccoli. We need more tiny broccoli.
I literally can't because I'm too tiny. Bro, I can reach it.
Use my giant stick. Use the giant stick to stand up. Grab it to stand up.
It's literally, I just grabbed it.
Bro, just let me. See, now it's
I
fixed.
can't. Oh, never mind.
Now just grab it and pull it out. It's a bit bouncy, but that's fine.
Bro, what do you mean a bit?
Oh, what? Bro,
we
get more mini broccoli. I need a bunch.
No, get more goop. Get more goop.
This time I eat it all.
Get goop. Get goop.
Wait, no, I don't want to do that. Ooh, a nice yummy sausage.
What the? Where is my tiny broccoli? This goop doesn't even work. Bro. What are you doing?
Oh my god, the new Mario game in the works.